A little bird was flying south for the winter. It was so cold, the bird froze and fell to the ground in a large field. While it was lying there, a cow dropped some dung on it. As the frozen bird lay there in a pile of cow dung, it began to realize how warm it was. The dung was actually thawing him out. He lay there all warm and happy, and soon began to sing for joy. A passing cat heard the bird singing and came to investigate. Following the sound, the cat discovered the bird under the pile of cow dung and promptly dug him out and ate him. Moral of the story: not everyone who drops shit on you is your enemy. Not everyone who gets you out of shit is your friend. And when you are in deep shit, keep your mouth shut.